Hi, welcome to the ASP.NET MVC and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. Project is Chiến VS Shop. Today in this video, I would like to show you how to do the Piepan integration for ASP.NET MVC and Entity Framework. Okay, so basically when you are working in a web e-commerce, so when the user adding any product into the shopping cart, so you have to allow the user to do the payment online. And currently we have a lot of the payment gateway which allow the user to do the payment online. And there is the Paypan. It is either the popular and powerful payment gateway, and which also fully support for the user to do the payment online. And that's why in this video today I will show you step by step how to do the integration the Paypan into the website using the ASP.NET and Entity Framework and MVC. Okay, so let's get started. You open the web browser. Okay, so firstly, before we working with the shortcode, you have to make sure you already have an account in the paypan.com. So you access into the developer paypan.com. Okay, so I will log out. Yeah, so you access to the developer.paypan.com. You click on the login into that bot. Yeah, after that you enter the information which you are using to access the paypan.com. Here, click on login button to accept. Yeah, so after that, when you log in into the developer Paypan account here, it will direct you to the dashboard of the application. You scroll down here. Okay, so in order to work with the integrate the Paypan with the Visual Studio shortcode, so you have to make sure you already have account for Sandbox. You click on account here. Yeah, so after the account is created, it will automatically create the two accounts for you. The first one is the facilitator account in the business, and the second one is the buyer account. So here in this video, I will use the account for buyer is to pay the money for the product, and the account is facilitator here will be using for receive the payment from the buyer account. Okay, so you can go ahead to click on the profile hyperlink here. We have three tabs here: profile, funding, setting, and you are able to change the password for this account here. And after that, you can use this account. Oh, sorry. Copy it. Okay. And log in into the sandbox. Sandbox.paypan.com. Log in. I'll log in with the buyer. Okay. And the next one, I log in with the facilitator. I will open another browser. Click on login button here. Okay, cool. So here, before you working with the shortcode, so you have to make sure two accounts here. The facilitator and also the buyer account are able to access into the sandbox paypan.com. Okay, so back to the developer paypan.com here. You are able to create new the account for this one by clicking on the create account here. Yeah, so you can provide you can create the account for personal, there is a buyer, and the business. This account is merchant account, so it will look like the same thing for facilitator account, which we will use to receive the payment from the buyer account. Okay, cool. And you back to the my application and credential here. So in order to integrate the Piepan with our Visual Studio web application to getting the data from the Piepan, so you have to create an application. There is a REST API application. So we will use it REST API to do the authentication and submit the information for payment into the Piepan. Okay, so you can go ahead to click on the create app here, and after that you enter the application name here, and just go ahead to click on create app. Okay, that's all. So because I already have an account here, so an app here, so I no need to create anymore. So now you go ahead to click on that account here. You have been created. Okay, here we have sandbox account GNVS facilitator.gmail.com, and here we have client ID and secret ID. You click on show here. Okay, so we will use the client ID and secret ID here to do the integration with our web app, and there is the information for the web app do the authentication with the paypan.com. Okay, so that we will come back to work with it later. Okay, so that's all, and we open the Visual Studio. Okay, so now we have to do some install for the SDK on this into this project. So right click on the project, manage new git package, Paypan. Select the first one, install. Okay, finish. And after that, you click on the reference. We have Paypan DOL has been embedded into this project. Okay, we have an update here. Okay. And now we will do some the configuration for in the web config file. Okay, so in the web config we have to provide some the setting for Paypan here. Okay, so let's follow my code here. Okay. I don't remember. Okay, so I will search it. Config handle. Here, copy from this one. Okay, copy it. Piepan manager. No need manager. Piepan SDK config handle. Piepan. No, Piepan. We use the log format. We use the log format to do the logging feature here. If we have any issue, so we will log it into a file. Log format. Log format. Okay. We can remove some config here to make it look better. Config session. We do some the setting for Piepan SDK setting. So we have mode connection timeout, and the next one it should be request retry. Okay, so we open the website here and copy the client ID. Secret ID. Client ID. Secret ID. Okay, and now we do the configuration for log4net setting. Okay, so I will copy the log4net on the internet. Okay, so log4net header name file. Okay, we done configuration for log4net, and now back to the Piepan log4net setting. We have connection string. Okay, so now I think we have finished the configuration in the web.config file here. So now we open the model, and in the model, so I will create a Piepan configuration class to get the information from the web config file. Okay, so we have done the Piepan configuration file. So now I go ahead to create a Piepan logger file. So there will be using for to do the uh, save the information into log file when we have any issue. Okay. Log directory path. Okay, done. So now we open the controller in the shopping cart to write the code for the Piepan payment integration. Okay. There's some conflict with the GNVS shop model and the Paypan model. We have duplicated the order, so we have specified more information. And now I go ahead to create three methods in this controller. The first one is create payment, and the second one is execute payment, and the last one is the main methods for Paypan integration. There is a payment with Paypan. Okay, so let's follow my video. So this one is create a payment using the API contact. We have some parameter in API contact. String redirect URL. Okay, so in this method, so we have to add the product information into from the shopping cart into the Paypan. So we reuse the section for string cart we already have in the shopping cart order. So for currency, I will hard code by the USD now. You can pass the dynamic information over the web config or something like that. All of the information here should be string, so we have to convert the data from the from something like integer double into the string. Okay, so now create the payer information. So the payment method should be the Piepan. And the next one, we will do the user configuration redirect URL. Okay, in the detail object, we have to provide some information like tax, shipping fee, and also the subtotal. I will hard code here. It should be $1. There's the example, and you are able to do the dynamic configuration over the webconfig.com or web.config. Sorry. Okay, so for the subtotal, we can open the index page in the shopping cart and can copy this one, convert to string. So now we create my object. So currency should be USD total, and the total here it should be equal the summary of the tax, shipping, and also subtotal. We have to convert the string into the double here to do the calculation, and after that we will convert it back into the string. And convert back to the string. Okay. Detail. And the next one, we will create the transaction for payment. Declaration. So there are information, so you have to enter it for declaration for the transaction. So I will name it the invoice number. Okay, so the invoice number here you cannot hard code any number because there is a number we will use for validate the transaction in the paper or on the Piepan website. So here you cannot if you do the hard code here, so you can check out in the first time, and in the second time, so it will display the error because for only for each invoice number you are able to do the transaction for only one time. New random to choose new random. So here it will automatically create randomly the number for the transaction. Create information for payment. Okay, so we have just finished creation for create payment by using the API context. So now we go ahead to create the execute payment method. API context string pay. Okay, so we finished creation for execute payment method. So now we go ahead to create the last one. There is the payment with Piepan. It is the main methods for the feature. No need to return now. Firstly, we getting contact from the Piepan based on client ID and client secret for payment. Payer ID. Okay, so the controller is shopping cart, so we have to payment with Piepan. We can copy it from above. We call the method to create payment and provide some information in API context and string redirect URL. And this one will be good when we call the method to execute payment. approved. Return failure. If the status is not approved, so we will return the failure. Failure. View. Okay, done. So now, if the payment method is succeed, so we will return the user into the succeed page. Otherwise, if we have any issue during the transaction, so we will return the user into the failure page. So now we have to go ahead to create two HTML page for succeed and failure. You right click on the shopping cart folder, new, view. Select the blank page here with a succeed. Okay, so now that's all. We are go ahead to build the project and try to run it. Okay, so let's review. Okay, so when the user adding any product into the shopping cart and the subtotal of the shopping cart is the sum of all of the product in the shopping cart, and the fee we have to pay into the Piepan is the equal of subtotal with tax and shipping. Okay, transaction information, payment information. Now let's open the website. Refresh this page. Okay, so now click on MacBook. $3 for MacBook. Okay, so for now the subtotal is $6. And if we submit if we check out this one with Piepan, so the total it should be 6 plus $1 for tax and $2 for shipping, so it should be 9. Check out. Okay, we have no issue, so it will direct you into the Piepan checkout page. There's the sandbox account. So now, yeah, you can see here the total for payment it should be 9. Okay. So now we will use the account chien.vs buyer to do the transaction. Okay, so I will open this one sandbox account, login. In chien.vs facilitator here, there is the seller account, login. Here, and this one is the information of the buyer account. You see the balance in this account. So after we do the transaction, so it should be minus 9 account here, $9 here. Okay, let's do it. Continue. Oh, we have any issue? So yeah, okay, so maybe we have some issue with the URL return. Okay, so let's come back into the shortcode. Shopping cart. Oh, should be this one. I'm sorry. We will again. Let's try to refresh this one. I'm not sure it should work anymore. Let's try. We have to change it into this one. Okay, so I think we have to review it again and run it again. Okay, refresh it. Try it again. Okay. Six, three. So total it should be 12. Okay, continue. Yeah, succeed. You open the summary here. Okay, so try one more. Okay, so after we will check out successfully with Piepan, so we should clear the cake as a clear the session. For now, we still not clear it. Okay, so let's open the shortcode. Okay, be with again. Okay, succeed. Try to refresh this one. The number it has been reduced. Yeah, so we have that for the recent activity here for payment from test buyer. There is a previous payment. So there is the transaction detail. We have name is test buyer and the email is gmail.com and payment sent to gmail@gmail.com. The detail here, shopping cart content, it should be okay. Cool. So this one is the quantity should be 3 and the item name is MacBook Pro and the price is $9. So we have some other description here is shopping cart item here sale tax $1, shipping $2. Yeah, it should be this one, tax 1, shipping 2. Okay, and the total amount is 12 and the fee amount is 0.65 USD. So the net amount you will receive into your PayPal is 11.35. Invite ID. Invite ID there is a here invite ID number is it randomly com completed stated. Okay, cool. Back to my account. So for now we still don't have the information for transaction. We have just finished with the 19 dollar. So I think we have to wait a while in for the order for the payment information updated in the recent activity here. However, the money already added into the account here. Okay, so we can do another transaction and see it again. $3. Oh, still not clear. Okay, check out. It should be 6. Succeed. Okay, check this one. So the buyer it should be reduced into 6. So it should be $858. Yeah, correct. and open this one. It should be it's around 1, 4, 3 and 7. Correct. Okay, so it should be on before return. Build the project again. Okay. Succeed. Okay. It should be $2,000. Yeah. Okay. Uh, I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to do the integration for Piepan into the MVC website application. So now, because currently the Piepan there is a powerful and popular payment gateway in the world, and we have a lot of people using it. So now, I hope this video been helpful for you, and you should follow it by step to do the integration. Okay, so do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye. Talk to you later.